Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz CLS 2.9 CLS 350d AMG Line Premium Plus Coupe G-Tronic 4MATIC, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in canvasite blue metallic. To start off with, then you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 19-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing the canvasite blue exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you do in fact have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps your weekly shop. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round you can find that lovely upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. Both the front seats in this car are electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, so once you've found that comfortable position you are also able to save it. As well as this, both the front seats are also heated, which is a luxury to have. You also have the upgraded Burmeister sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your cruise control, hands-free options, and of course your volume controls, allowing you to do several things via the touch of your fingertips. Taking a look at your digital dash, you were able to see that this vehicle has done 68,452 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Mercedes infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route home to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You have external media connectivity, so perhaps if you don't want to listen to the radio, you are in fact able to listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. In your vehicle settings, you can find your configurable ambient lighting, which has a variety of different options of colours, allowing you to add a nice pop of colour to the interior and personalise the car to you. The ambient lighting is found within the fans and runs across the dash. And as well as this, you also have a 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the car, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you do in fact have a dual zone climate control system where you can individually adjust the temperature. The units are displayed on the screen, as well as easily adjust the airflow and direction. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.